44-year-old woman died after being reportedly caught in a crossfire between the security force and an armed gang operation in Augustown area of eastern St. Andrew on Wednesday afternoon. According to the Corporate Communications Unit (CCU), the Police Information Arms, members of the security force who were in the area were attacked by heavily armed men at about 2:20 p.m. The security force came under heavy gunfire in the area, and when the shooting subsided, a woman was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. She was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced dead, a representative of the CCU said. The woman has been identified as Susan Bogle of Bryce Hill Road in the community.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.